Guys, this is MCP, and welcome to a Roblox video where today, I'm not sure where I am right now. I should be in Build a Boat for treasure. I'm just, not very sure where. I'm just, like, floating. Okay, here we go. Okay, so, if we can, I'll get my sister to join, but for now, we are just gonna go and build ourselves a... Oh, there's a wall there.
I didn't see you?
So, nothing. So, let's go and get over here. And we can start building our boat. So, I'm going to pause this and build our boat. And voila. So, there's only one problem with this. These flags will tip over the entire thing, so let's get rid of the flags. Oh, and we might be able to get my sister to join. Not sure if I already said that, but... yeah, here we go. Oh, what happened? What happened here? It's a bit weird.
34.4.
Well, at least we're sitting down. Okay, this is a bit destroyed a bit, but it'll work for now. So, I think I'm gonna start setting sail. Kelsey, are you getting in? She said she's not getting in right now. This looks a bit ugly. I just now realized. Okay, I might build us a different boat right afterwards, but let's set sail. Okay, let's go. This is quite a nice boat. Ooh. There's another person. Please, over there. I want to go to it. I made it! I actually made it. I'm on a whole nother island. I can't believe I did it. I am the first to step foot on another island. I don't know why I'm jumping. Stop jumping. I think I'm supposed to be falling. I don't know. Let's just get over here. What team is this that I got onto? This is team... okay, this is weird. I need to get back to my place. I don't know, that was creepy. But I can't believe that's actually possible. I didn't know you could do that. Like, set sail to a whole other island. Oh, and I didn't get any money from that whatsoever. Good thing I have a lot of blocks. So, yeah, let's start off by building ourselves a nice little raft here. You know what? I just had the best idea ever. Let's do this. No, we fell. Okay, back up. What's happening right now? You know what? Let's just do like... let's just go, man. Like, let's just place down some seeds and get out of here. Okay? Peace out. Oh, let's save this boat so we can use it over and over again. Yeah. Okay, it's saving the boat. Oh, I think it said not to leave. Okay. So let's set sail. Oh, we're totally dead. We are so dead right now. What is going on? This is mayhem. Woo, and dead. Bye. Bye. Okay, I didn't know what I was thinking when I did that. But I do now. Look at this. I'm gonna do something nobody else would ever do. And I'm gonna go on top of a flag. Which is kind of weird. Oh. I wanted to get up there. How am I supposed to get up there now? I guess I could just like pile up. I do have a lot of stone, so let's just get up. Oh no, we were there! We were just there. Get it? Again. Oh, really? Okay, get rid of these. Get rid of all of these. Oh, it's falling. It's falling. It's falling over. It's falling over. That is so weird. Okay, let's get rid of this, and 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 all those other blocks that are falling down. Let's put back on the flag and see if we can actually get on top this time. Boom. No, it's not doing the cool trick. Okay, let's just pile up and get onto there. Okay, where is our stone? We're gonna pile up, get on there, and then we'll be good. Because I am so ready to just set sail on top of a flag. Ooh. Ooh. I think we're here. No! It was so close. Okay, let's get rid of these and just keep going. We can do this. I know we can. It's not like it's impossible to get up on a flagpole. That's like the point of flagpoles. You're supposed to get up on them, aren't you? I think just a bit higher and we can make it. I think we're on. Okay, we did it, guys. Let's set sail. This, okay. Yeah, I kind of expected that. No! No! Don't leave me! Don't leave me, flagpole! I know I can live. I know I can live. I just need to stand on something. Just need to stand on something. Come on, I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. No, 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 no. Go, 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 go. If I could just get on that stone block. I can live. I can live. I can live. I can live. I can do this. 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 I can do it. I did it. And we are setting sail. Okay. That was a bit awkward. But we have a boat and we can just survive, basically. Setting sail. Our goal is to survive. Get some monies. Money, money, money. Money, money, money. This thing's gonna get demolished immediately. I already know it. Oh. I think that's pink tea over there. Oh, and here we go. We are at the rocks. Okay. So I'm not very positive like how much money we're gonna get. Oh no! No, 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 no! Who died? Man. Okay. I have the greatest idea ever. We are going to load in this. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. There's the pretty boat. And then we're going to do this. I know, I'm falling. Sit. And set. Sail. There we go. Now we have perfect view of the entire, the flags. I forgot about the flags. We need to get rid of these flags. Why is it sending us this way? It's a bit awkward. Oh no, we're crashing. Wait, can we get on there? Oh no, we almost made it. We could have gotten on back. We need to get up there. We need to get up there. I'm not sure if it's even possible, but we need to. We need to make it. Load in this. Do the same thing we did do, but pile up a bit. Up. I need you to zoom in. Okay. Okay, there we go. Let's get rid of these flags. And let's put some stuff on here. Put some stuff on here. Okay, so we're gonna pile up a bit. Well, at least now we can just pile right back up and there's going to be a chair up there. So, as soon as we get up there, we're going to sit down and look at that. We sat down. Okay, nice. Okay, let's sail. So our goal? To live up here. What is this? There's just like a huge pillar of stone with me sitting on it. It's like the weirdest boat to ever exist. Let's see how far we can get. Oh, I see someone. Is that a person? What is that? Is it trying? Oh! Now's our chance! Oh, we're on land. No, my boat! No. What do we do? I just need to kill myself. We could have done it, guys. We could have done it. If that L wasn't there to annoy me, we could have done it. Let me just check how long this video is going. 13 minutes. I might end the video here, guys. Well, actually, you know what? I'm going to try one more time. Then I'm going to end it. Actually, this wall here. We want to get up. We pile up. I think we're making it. We're so close. No. The fuck. Don't even. And jump. We're here. We're actually here. Let's set sail and get rid of that thing. Bye. Where is it? Oh, bye. I think this is like a big advantage for me. I could sneak over to other teams like Team Red and who's on Team Red? They're gonna spy on me. No one's on Team. Oh, you know what we could have done? We could have piled up. Okay, let's do this again. Now that we know we can do it, let's do it again and get as high as we can. That is just like so cool that you can do that. I am so impressed right now. Okay, let's go over here, pile up onto the wall up there, and then get up there and see how high we can get. I think I'm breaking the boundaries here. Okay, let's get rid of those blocks. Okay, we're here. Just go up here and get rid of all those blocks that we just placed. Okay, now we're gonna pile up here. Just because we can. Wait, can we? I think we can. Right? Am I not able to place it there? Do I need to place it like over here? Oh, it's because it's in this boundary. It needs to be over here. Okay, let's find another wall to get up. But like in this boundary. So this boundary, is that another person?
No. Thank you. Boo. 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 Pink. Pink. Monkey. Hey.
I don't even know what I'm doing right now. I'm actually like stunned right now that I could get to another person's team. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. I might be doing a live stream today, guys. I might. If I can get Ronnie online, I might be doing a live stream
Dad.
on Roblox. Comment down below what I should play in the live stream.
Oh, Dad. Yeah. Dad. Daddy.
Okay, guys. Well, without further ado, that is going to be the end of this video, and I'll see you all later. Oh. Bye.